Look at him. Spider-Man.
Snag.
Good morning, Your Highness. Good morning, Your Highness.
He's up in the air.
Happy birthday, Your Highness.
Yes, it is my birthday.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Snag.
Goes to musings.
That's just hilarious.
Whoa. Saying something too much.
He certainly is quiet.
There he goes.
He looks sad.
Hey.
Is something troubling you, my son?
Oh, father.
Son, please. I am more than the exalted ruler of this land and the master of all I survey. I am also a concerned dad.
Just a moment.
What is he doing?
It looks as if he's coming down here to talk to us. Wait right there, Akeem. Rose bearers!
Akeem, come sit.
Oh shit. Oh. Snag.
Now, my son. You've got a mustache.
Nothing. It has been a year.
So, what is it, my son?
Well, Father, first of all, it is things like this.
Like what?
The rose petals.
What is the matter, dear? Good son of the king. Why should we not look on petals of roses?
But Mother, there were no rose petals that would still be the son of the king.
Then it is settled. From this day forth, anyone who throws roses at my son's feet will answer to me.
Father, it's not just that, it's everything. The cooking, the pampering, the dressing, the bathing. Actually, I'd rather enjoy the bathing. Just for once, I would like to cook for myself and take care of myself, dress myself, wipe my own backside. And why? Why can't I find my own way?
Aha! So that's it. We've gone to a great deal of trouble to select from your very fine life. Since the day she was born, she was taught to walk and speak and think as a queen.
Father, what if I do not love her?
It is normal to feel anxiety about meeting your queen.
When I first met your father, I was terrified.
I must
He
admit,
just bored.
I was.
Yeah.
You know, this is
So nervous. I feel nauseous. But over the years, I have grown to love your father very much.
So, you see, my son, there is a very fine line between love and nausea.
I understand.
yeah. Oh,
But when
fuck
I'm
you.
married, I want the woman to love me for who I am, not because of what I am.
And who are you?
I am a man who has
It
never
is
tied his own shoes before.
Wrong. You are a prince who has never tied his shoes. Believe me, I tied my own shoes once. It is an overrated experience.
Good morning, Your Majesty. It's another beautiful day in Zamunda.
And today, what is it now?
You look especially radiant today, Your Grace.
That's so sexy.
Yes, I was just remarking to my mother the other day what lovely skin.
Do you not have some
All right, let's look at it.
Hi, good to see you.
Ready?
Just got back from New Orleans? Yes.
Up on head, take one.
You know, Brentford from New Orleans. Do you go back, don't you? Oh, yeah. You always
Stand up,
that
dude.
much. Yeah. You know, I was back there, I brought a little boy back, and we land. And it was
Go.
the hurricane
3,
of the world.
2,
As we landed.
1.
And they had,
See ya.
what do you mean? And it said Boston had 36. And I thought we had like a new basketball team. I didn't know what was happening. And then they did a thing about like Singapore having none. And every talk show in New Orleans said that we should start getting these Singapore laws.
Oh, that would work well in New Orleans.
You gotta be kidding me. What is it?
And you know, there are people on Santa Monica Boulevard that'll pay good money for that very. That's right. They're competing for that kind of money in this town.
I'll tell you a great story about New Orleans. One day, I was here, my wife was coming from somewhere else, and I had a job in New Orleans, so I'm thinking New Orleans. You know what you feel. So I went over there, I go to her plane, and I can't find it. I walk past these two cops, kind of shorts and shirt. And they see me walk by, and I go back to my plane thinking she's dead. That's where I walk by it again. And I keep walking back if I can't find it. So you're there, Mr. Lena, aren't you there from the...
They call you Leno, they're really-
Mr. Lena? So yeah, so I'm the plane landed, and I know she's around here somewhere, but I just can't find her. I don't know where she is. And then when the guy went, says, well, Mr. Lena, you know, so sometimes a lot of
It's
women
dark.
come here, they see these bright lights, and they just run off. So thank you. I don't think she ran off.
Here's another one.
Boy with me, just being on. Sort of
Teach you about women and things.
no! It was a bonding thing, you know? It was a bonding thing.
Take it to the Northern capital.
But you know, I spent 5 miles.
Animal rights for the field day.
In first class. And so we usually fly in the back and coach and stuff. So we did it, and people acted really snooty in first class, and I brought my little 3-year-old. And I knew that, you know, I know he's a good traveler, but they were such pain that I thought, well, I'm gonna start acting like he's not again. I said, now look, try and keep some of the Eagle snacks down, you know, as we take off, you know. And I would, you know, say, please don't throw up with the stewardess again. I did all these lines. So one woman said, well, you know, it's only 2.5 hours, so.
Stick it right in his
it
face,
can't
see if he'll
be
sniff the
bad."
lens.
So I said, you mean you didn't?
I'm worried about him scratching the lens.
You know, and then the stewardess came up to me, and she
Yeah,
said,
you were saying?
The thing's hanging there, dude. It's a toy.
It's not that, the lens cap.
The lens cap.
And I looked and I said, no, I'm taking it anyway. I said, where do you think we're going? But when you travel in first class, would you bother you
It
to
doesn't bother me. You know what I find? You can just ram them in the overhead compartment. No, I like kids on a plane. Hey, Beavis. The bass player in this band, he looks like just a regular guy. Oh, yeah. If he just found at school, he'd probably like get a sense of it.
Fuck off.
Check this out. It's like he pulls his hair out of his eyes, but then it just falls back in his eyes.
Hold that thing still, Tim.
Yeah.
Bouncing that all over the apartment.
Yeah.
Enjoying it?
check it out. That room is cool. Yeah. Go big bedroom. Man, get my room set up like that. But I'm like, little stars and stuff. And they're like, he's gonna be cool. No, you're not. You're never gonna get stuff like that.
I can't hold the camera still.
You're just gonna sit around for the rest of your life spanking your monkey. Shut up, butthead. I am too gonna fix my room up, butthole.
You have Beavis and Butthead in the background.
They say great art is difficult to understand, but easy to enjoy.
Hey, Beavis. It's hard, but it's not.
Good move.
Steven!
Where'd he go? Fucking cat. There it goes.